Today I'm out in central London trying to guess people's jobs. It should be easy. Do you run events?
No.
I knew it was literally on the tip of my tongue.
No.
Oh, they're kind of in the same.
Yeah, it's in the same realm.
I've got no clue what you do. Absolutely no clue. I've been doing awfully so far. What's your name? How old are you? Where are you from?
Flora, and I'm 28.
And where are you from?
Oh, London.
Question number one is, do you enjoy what you do?
Yes, I love what I do.
Question number two, if you're happy to share or be vague, how much do you earn?
Oh, so I'm sort of free. I don't know how much you can weigh. I get basically a weekly wage, which is in the region of per week before tax.
What did you study?
Events management.
Weekly wage. I feel like I should focus on that part.
Yeah.
A little bit freelancy?
Yeah, so it's
Martha?
contract work. So you work contract to contract.
Do you run events?
No.
Oh, I just thought I would go down the route that makes the most logical sense.
It does make more sense.
What do you do?
I work in film in the locations department. So my title is assistant location manager.
Okay.
So I scout for filming locations and then we manage the logistics of filming in them.
What's your name?
Sergio,
How old are you?
I'm 39.
And where do you live?
I live here in London.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy, originally from Sicily.
Love it. Okay. Question number one is, do you like your job?
I do, very much actually.
Okay. Cool. Question number two
Right.
is, if you don't mind, how much money do you make?
So I make about 40k per year.
Nice. And question number three is, what did you study?
I study to help the dentist.
Okay.
But what I'm doing now is nothing to do with that.
Oh, great.
So it will be like a little bit off.
Okay.
But I can help you a bit with the clue, like...
Give me a clue. I'll take the clue.
Okay, so what the Italian are good at?
Are you a chef?
Yes, I am.
In
Well
one
done.
day. And what is your dish?
What's my dish? I mean, I like everything, but pasta is my main dish. So if I do fresh pasta, will be a very good thing to do with the kids. Yes.
I love pasta, man.
Yes, we all do.
What's your name? How old are you? And where are you from?
My name is Lee Nunn. I'm 52 years old and I'm from Ipswich.
Lovely. Do you live in London now, or?
No, I live in Ipswich.
That's why we're by a train station. Question number one is, what's the most expensive thing that you own?
It's my house.
That probably would do it,
Yeah.
If I can pry, feel free to say no. How much is your house roughly?
About $500,000.
Nice. It's nice living outside of London.
Yeah.
Question number two is, how many years experience do you have in the field you work in?
About 20.
Cool. And question number three is, if you don't mind sharing, how much do you make?
About 8k.
Okay, cool. I've got no clue what you do. Absolutely no clue. Does it involve you coming to London?
Yes. Yeah. Come see clients.
Okay.
So do I tell you now what I do?
I'm going to try and guess with one guess.
Okay.
You're a lawyer?
No.
Oh, the clients was just a...
No.
Go on, what is it?
Consulting.
What do you consult in?
Smart building.
Smart building?
Yeah, so technology for residential buildings, commercial buildings, hotels, basically the control systems that go into the buildings.
That's really cool.
Automation and control.
Very interesting.
My name's Kyle, I'm 27 and I'm from Glasgow.
Nice. I probably should have been able to tell with the accent.
Yeah.
Question number one is, do you enjoy your job?
Yeah, love my job.
Yeah?
Love what I do, yeah, it's good.
All right, nice, that makes it harder. Question number two then is, if you're happy to share, or be rough if you want to, how much on average do you make?
It depends. It's a self-employed job, so it can differ. Like, depending if I'm on a job for a longer period of time, I might pay more, or I can do like one-off jobs.
Okay.
That sometimes pay decent.
You happy to share roughly a vague ballpark of a year?
A year, about between like 40 and 60,000.
Nice. How many years experience do you have in what you're doing?
About 9 years experience.
The questions aren't good enough. I think that's the issue.
I really get deeper.
You a PT?
Oh, dancer.
Oh, kind of in the same.
Yeah, it's in the same realm. It's the same one.
So can you explain a little bit what that means, what that does?
Professional dancer, so it's just like, well, I'm more like a commercial hip hop dancer. So it'll differ like jobs wise. So you might do like West End jobs, so you do like contracts away. So you could do like cruise ships, or you might do jobs in other countries.
Brendan, 48, Kingston.
Nice. Okay. Do you enjoy what you do?
Yes.
That's just taken me nowhere. I told you it's the questions that are bad. Okay, question number 2. If you don't mind sharing, you can be vague, you can be specific. How much money do you make?
Enough.
What's enough? When you live in London, I can figure it out.
Got a nice house.
Question number 3 then is, what did you study?
Sports science.
Anything to do with your job?
No.
Wicked. You work in sales, a little bit of selling for a software firm in data analytics.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
You're lying.
I'm not.
What do you do?
I'm CTO at an AI company. There you go.
Do you know what? Finally. I finally got one right. Thank you. CTO, data analytics, you said. AI. Oh, wicked. How long have you been doing that?
How long have I been? I've been at this company a year.
Nice.
Yeah. I've been doing it about 20 years.
The industry, 20 years.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Love it. Thank you very much. Okay, question number 1 is, do you like what you do?
Love what I do.
Everyone keeps saying that. How much do you make from your job?
Enough to live in London.
Okay, enough to live in London, we'll take it. And the last question is, what did you study before you started working?
Fashion design.
Okay, does that help me at all? A little
Yes.
bit. Okay. So if my guess was as rogue as, do you do fashion?
Yes, I do.
Okay, do you do design and fashion?
No.
Okay. Sales?
Nope.
Selling? That's
Nope.
the same. I
Yeah.
said sales and then selling. Okay, I've got no clue. Go on, what is it that you do?
A visual merchandiser.
A visual merchandiser. Can you explain kind of what that means?
So I dress the shops, the layouts of where certain collections go, like window designs.
Nice.
I'm Joe. I'm from Essex and I'm 18 years old.
18 years old. Okay. So 3 questions to guess your job.
Sure.
This is going to be hard, I feel. Okay, question number 1 is, do you enjoy what you do?
I do, yeah, I do.
All right, wicked. Question number 2, if you're happy to share, how much do you make from your job?
I'm currently on £2,000 a month. Sorry.
About 24 a year?
Yeah,
Nice.
around
All right, wicked. And then question number 3 is, well, it would be how much experience do you have? I feel like that might be on the lower side.
that. Yeah, not too much. I've only been there 6 months, so.
Okay, wicked. Straight out of school to the job?
Yeah. So out of strict form, sorry.
Okay, straight out of sixth form?
Yes, yeah.
All right, I'm going to do a cheeky extra question. You'll let me off, okay?
Go on.
What were your A-levels in?
Business, IT, maths and geography.
Okay, so here's my wild specific guess.
Go on.
Trading sales?
Nope.
Ooh, go
Nope.
on. What do you do?
IT.
IT?
IT man, yes.
What specifically within IT?
So I'm currently a support guy.
Mhm.
So I'm working at a construction company.
Very nice.
In their IT department. So that's kind of like running around, making sure the site networks are working, getting people's equipment working, all investing in new technology as well, bringing that
Nice.
into the business. So,
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's going well.
What's the plan? Where do you want to go?
I think just keep developing my skills, keep building up my experience, meeting new people, and see where it takes me.
That's a solid interview answer. For anyone struggling out there, there you go. Well, if you enjoyed that video, then you are going to love this one where I do something different. Not quite sure which one I'm linking. Have a good day. Bye.